analytical insight. This is the advanced level problem of speed, distance, and time, which can be solved by best approach. If it is not solved by best approach, we will be trapped in this problem and lose marks in the exams. So this question, don't start this question by taking variable as here, which is mentioned. Start the question by this line. The best approach to solve this question. Because speed of car is 14.28% more than that of speed of train. That's what we let the speed of car be 80 kilometer per hour and speed of train be 70 kilometer per hour. Because the fractional 14.28% is 1 by 7. So the quantity in the denominator represents the speed of train, and the quantity in the denominator in the quantity in the numerator, that is 1 is increment to get the speed of car. So after adding 1 with 2, we get the speed of car, which is 8. So that's why we let speed of car be 80 kilometer per hour and speed of train be 70 kilometer per hour. No, this is the one level trick to this is the trick. This is the trick to solve this question by not taking variable as which I explained here. Now, resistance traveled by car in 2.55 kilometer, 2.5 multiplied 80 equal to 28 kilometer per hour, because speed equal to distance equal to speed into time. Speed into time. And the remaining distance 380 minus 28. 380 minus 28 distance which is traveled by tangent by combined. So that distance traveled by train will be d kilometers and distance traveled by b small d kilometers. Now, d plus because it is compound traveled by both train and bike, that's why d plus d will be 380 minus 2. And it is also mentioned in the question that the distance traveled by bike is 76 kilometers more than distance traveled by train. That's why d minus d is equal to 76 and d plus d is 380 minus 2. On solving these two equations, we get the value of d is 380 minus 28 plus 76 times 2 is equal to 228 minus 10 kilometers. And small d is equal to 380 minus 20 minus 76 upon 2 equal to 150 minus 10. These are the distance covered by train by. And these are solved by using the expression if x plus y is given and x minus y is given. So this can be calculated by taking the value of x plus y plus x minus y divided by 2, which is done here. And similarly for d, which is small d. That's why the distance covered by train and bike are 228 minus 10 kilometers and 252 minus 10 kilometers respectively. Now the distance traveled by train in 4 hours will be 7 into 4 over 28 kilometers. Again, the speed equal to distance. This formula is applied here. Therefore, because the distance traveled by train is 228 minus 10 kilometers, so we equal 28 kilometers to 228 minus 10. 228 minus 10 kilometers. So this implies 38 equal to 228, hence A equal to 6. After finding the value of it, we calculate after finding value of it, we can calculate the speed of train, speed of car. Therefore, speed of car is 40 kilometers per hour and speed of train is 22 kilometers per hour, because the speed of car is 80 and this is 7. and A is 6. That's why we get these results. And the distance, similarly, the distance traveled by train and by car, 228 minus 60 is equal to 168 kilometers, and the distance traveled by bike is 152 minus 60 equal to 92 kilometers. Whole question is solved by these variables. Now we can check the statements. We can check the statements to solve the we can check the statements to solve the question. There are three statements, but we have to check the statement whether it are true or not. Now, now the value clearly the value of s is 48 kilometer per hour, which is equivalent to 48 multiplied by divided by 18 meter per second, which is equal to 40 divided by 9 meter per second. 40 divided by 3. This is 3, not 9. Which is nothing but equal to 13.33 meter per second. So we can lift up to 2 places of decimal. That is the value of s is 13.33 meter per second, which is correct. So the option segment was is correct. Check the statement to statement statement 2 is statement 2 is given as Amit decided to travel whole distance by a speed of 9 it is by 8 kilometer per hour. Then he would reach Chennai in 7.6 hours. Now, we can check because the speed of train is 42 kilometer per hour and the speed of train increased by 8 kilometers. So the new speed of train is 450 kilometer per hour. And the overall distance is 360 kilometers, 380 kilometers. On solving this, we get the time required to reach we get the time required to reach to Chennai, which is 38 by which is equal to 7.6 kilometer per 7.6 hours, which is also correct. Then option second is also true. Clearly, the third statement is the distance traveled by bike is less than 90 kilometers. No, this statement is not true because the distance traveled by bike is 92 kilometers, which is more than 90 but not equal. So this statement is false. The correct answer of this option is only one and the statement 1 and 2 are true. We can write we can write it here. The whole thing. The correct the with this question that Therefore, the correct answer of this question is option. Only statement 1 and 2 are correct. Statement 3 is not. Our job is to solve it. Our job is to solve this question. And like, I can subscribe my channel. Thank you.